Good morning, children. My name is Archana Rustagi and I am the class teacher of Pre-Primary C. How are you all? I know you all are spending your time happily and creatively at home, and you are doing many activities at home. You would be watching television, you would be playing, you would be helping your parents, you would be studying, and many other activities. Okay, tell me, do you play at home? Yes? I have something to show you. Look here. What is this? This is a picture of ball. Do you play with the ball? Yes, I know you all play with the ball. But this ball is colorless. Let's make it beautiful and colorful. But how? You want to do coloring in this? No. Let's do something more interesting and creative. I want to make you do tearing and pasting in this picture. Which activity? Tearing and pasting. So today we are going to do tearing and pasting in this picture of a ball. Now, shall we start? For doing this activity, we will be required a picture, paper and Fevicol. So let's start. First of all, we have to understand what is tearing and pasting. आपको ये पता होना चाहिए tearing and pasting होता क्या है. For tearing and pasting, we do tearing of paper, then pasting on picture. Tearing and pasting. So, let's start. First of all, we will apply some Fevicol on the picture like this. Then we will take paper, we will tear it into small pieces and then we will paste it here. How? Look here. I am tearing the paper in small pieces, then I am pasting it on the picture. Look here, everyone, how I am doing, because you have to do it in the same way, and you can take paper which is available at your home. We can use here newspaper also. Like this we have to do pasting by tearing the paper into small pieces like this. Don't tear the paper into big pieces. Make it small. In this way, we will do this activity. In the same way, we will apply Fevicol here and then we will paste small pieces of paper here. Similarly here, we will apply Fevicol. Now, I am using another paper. I am tearing it in small pieces, then I am going to paste it like this. Remember, when you are going to paste the paper, don't take the paper out from the picture and don't overlap. In this way, this picture will be filled by the colored paper. Okay, children? And when we will fill the paper on the whole picture, the ball will be looking like this. Are you seeing this? I have done tearing and pasting on the whole picture. Similarly, you will do this. Dear parents, this activity will enhance the creativity and eye-hand coordination of your word. Thank you so much. Bye-bye, children.